Hi, my name is Morgan Hangartner, and today we're going to talk about the EB-5 Investor Green Card.
What's the difference between an EB-5 and an E2 visa?
An EB-5 visa is an immigrant visa, whereas an E2 visa is a non-immigrant visa. That means that with the EB-5 visa, you can immigrate to the United States, you can get a green card, and you can live there more or less permanently, whereas with the E2 visa, your stay in the United States is limited to the amount of time that's necessary for the business that you're running there.
What are the requirements for an EB-5 investor's visa?
Yeah, there are two key requirements. The first requirement is that you invest money, $500,000 in a project of some sort or a business in the United States. The second requirement is that this business or project creates 10 jobs in the United States. There are two ways of going about this investment. One possibility is that you create your own company in the United States and invest money and create the jobs. The other possibility is that you invest in a so-called regional center, and this regional center creates a project such as a hotel, and by building this hotel and running it, jobs are created, and that way you don't have to be an active investor, you can be a passive investor and still get a green card.
How do I apply for an EB-5 visa?
To apply for an EB-5 visa, you submit a petition and a lot of other documents to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. The other documents that are submitted together with the petition include evidence that the investment has actually been made, that the $500,000 have been invested, also that 10 jobs have been created or will be created in the future, and you submit that all to the government office in the United States, and about 9 to 18 months later, you receive the decision on the petition. If the petition is approved, then you go to the United States consulate in your home country and apply for a visa. And once you receive the visa, you can enter the United States, and immediately upon entering, you have green card status.
Which problems can arise in the application process?
There are usually two major problems with an EB-5 visa application. One problem is that the investment itself doesn't fulfill the requirements. So for example, there's an investment project and there's supposed to be 10 jobs that are created, but U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services does not believe that there's enough evidence that these jobs are really going to be created by the investment. Another major problem is that the applicant doesn't have enough evidence showing where the money came from that was used for the investment in the project that's supposed to create jobs. Basically, immigration wants to know that the money that's being invested didn't come from any illegal activities, and so it's really important to have evidence showing that the money that's being invested is clean.
Does an EB-5 green card allow me to bring my family with me?
The EB-5 green card does allow you to bring certain members of your family with you. If you receive an EB-5 green card, your spouse and also your unmarried children under 21 years of age can receive green cards and can come to the United States, can live there permanently, can work in the United States, study in the United States. They'll have all of the rights that you receive with your green card.